What happened to Uptober? Every year, we hear that October will bring a massive rally to the crypto market, yet here we are, and it seems the opposite is happening. Bitcoin and other top cryptocurrencies have struggled since the start of the month. But could this be the calm before the storm? Stick around as we dive into what's going on, and why Uptober hasn't kicked off yet. Welcome back to Gold Rush Crypto Daily Channel, where we keep you updated with the latest developments in the world of cryptocurrency. If you're looking to stay ahead of the game with fresh market insights and expert analysis, then hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Today, we'll explore why October hasn't been as explosive as many predicted for crypto and whether there's still hope for that bullish surge we all know as Uptober. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. Despite the slow start, history tells us that Bitcoin and crypto might still have some tricks up their sleeves for October. We'll also dive into an intriguing development about XRP Whales, Ripple's latest expansion, and the ongoing SEC lawsuit. Is the next big move just around the corner? Stay with me until the end to find out. A rough start to Uptober. October 1st rolled in with high expectations, but reality has been somewhat brutal. The first week of the month saw top cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, drop significantly. For example, Bitcoin fell nearly $5,000, dipping below $61,000 on October 3rd. That short-lived recovery we saw was just a setup for another round of losses. By Thursday of that week, the market had shed a staggering $180 million, and Bitcoin's price even touched $58,946. Now, if you've been around long enough in crypto, this probably doesn't shock you. The market's volatility is almost predictable at this point. But there's always that one question on everyone's mind: when will the rally start? Historically, October has been a golden month for Bitcoin. Yet, this year, things have been, well, different. Personal take. Honestly, I think we all underestimated how tricky this month could be. Sure, past years have been kind to us in October, but crypto doesn't follow the rules, it rewrites them. BTC in trouble? Let's talk about Bitcoin for a moment. Traditionally, Bitcoin posts losses in September, but this year, it was actually up 11%, a break from the usual trend. So, maybe we thought, hey, if September is strong, then October is going to blow our minds. But here we are, and Bitcoin has been moving sideways, which is unusual for a halving year. Ki-Young Ju, CEO of CryptoQuant, recently pointed out that based on historical data, Bitcoin might only have about 2 weeks left to start its next major surge. After all, following a halving event, Bitcoin typically enters a bull run. If we're to believe that pattern, we're in the waiting room right now, and things could kick off any day. On the flip side, veteran trader Peter Brandt has a grimmer outlook. He's warned that Bitcoin could be on the verge of a major crash, predicting as much as a 75% drop in its price. Why? Well, according to Brandt, Bitcoin has failed to hit a new all-time high within 30 weeks of its previous peak, which historically signals a sharp downturn. And let's not forget that March 14th saw Bitcoin hit a high of $73,737.94, and we haven't seen a new peak since. Opinion. I'm not fully convinced of a 75% drop, but we can't completely dismiss the idea. Crypto tends to surprise even the most seasoned analysts, and a downturn wouldn't be out of character. However, I'm also cautiously optimistic that we're going to see some action before the month ends. Will Uptober actually happen? Here's the thing. Seasoned market makers are smart. They're waiting for the perfect moment to jump in, which usually causes assets to dip right before a massive rally. It's like clockwork. So, when Bitcoin and other assets dip, it might just be the precursor to Uptober kicking into gear. And if we dig into Bitcoin's price history, we can see that October is often the beginning of big things. That said, patience is key here. A lot of retail traders panic when the market dips, but if history teaches us anything, it's that those who wait often reap the benefits. If you're expecting a surge, keep a close eye on these price movements in the coming days. XRP Whale alert. What's going on? Now, while we're talking about major players in the market, let's pivot to XRP. A new whale has entered the game with a jaw-dropping 104 million XRP tokens moved in one transaction. That's over $55 million worth of XRP shifted in one go, according to on-chain data. Whale Alert reports this massive transfer originated from an unknown wallet and was sent to a new wallet. The identity of this new whale remains a mystery, but this move has caught the attention of the entire crypto community. Could this be the start of something big for XRP? Opinion. Whenever you see a whale move this much money, it's not a coincidence. It's a strategic move, and I think this whale knows something we don't. Maybe there's an upcoming development or announcement that could shift XRP's trajectory in a big way. Ripple's expansion and SEC showdown. XRP's ecosystem has been buzzing with excitement, especially with Ripple's latest expansion into the crypto custody business. Ripple is introducing new features to help banks and fintech firms securely store digital assets for clients. They've even integrated these new tools with the XRP ledger, which is a huge deal for the ecosystem. And let's not forget about the SEC lawsuit. This week, Ripple filed a cross-appeal against Judge Torres' final judgment from August 7. With each passing week, this lawsuit gets more complicated, and its outcome will undoubtedly affect XRP's price and future. Opinion. The timing of this whale move and Ripple's latest actions can't be ignored. Ripple is clearly making big strides to position itself for a post-SEC world, and I'm keeping a close eye on how this plays out. XRP price action. Bulls versus bears. So, where does this leave XRP's price? Over the past 7 days, it's been trading in a narrow range of $0.507 to $0.546, showing that bulls and bears are in a fierce battle. A breakout above $0.564 could signal the beginning of a rally, with the next major barrier sitting at 64 cents. However, if XRP drops below 50 cents, the bears could take control, sending the price down to 46 cents or even 41 cents. At the time of writing, XRP was trading at $0.5413, up 0.76% over the past 24 hours. If today closes in the green, it will mark its third consecutive day of gains since October 9. Opinion. The way XRP is consolidating, I'm leaning toward a bullish breakout in the near term. But as always with crypto, one news event could send it in the opposite direction, so I'm cautiously optimistic. So, there you have it. Uptober may not have started with a bang, but there's still time for the market to turn around. We've seen some interesting developments with Bitcoin and XRP, and the next few weeks could be crucial for both. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated with the latest in crypto. And if you're curious about what's next for Ripple or Bitcoin, check out my other videos right here on Gold Rush Crypto Daily channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. This video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Always do your own research before making any investment decisions.